Alright, what's up guys? So we got the replacement, the proper one in for the XP Turbo now, and if you watched my last video, as you can see, this one has the slot that we need, so it should fit. So I'm hoping this install goes excellent. Thank you so much. Yeah, it says do not overflex the spring prior to installation, so don't fuck around, alright?
Okay, are we doing this?
Yeah, we're just gonna send it here.
Give her to that side.
Yeah, so basically we got the replacement one in, which is awesome. I mean, it's nice that we got basically half off both, or buy two get one free kind of thing. I don't know how you want to say. Anyway, so we're gonna take these two, what are those, 13 mil head bolts off your brake pedal, and then we're gonna see if this one lines right up with that rod that was there.
Which I tested it.
Oh, you tested it?
Yeah, I tested it.
We're good? Okay.
Well, had to make sure.
Gotta make sure. Couldn't be having that shit again. So this will be round 2 with the park brake. And it seems to fit right on. Then you put your 2 bolts back on.
Time to get the torque wrench, eh?
They're tight. The torque wrench is one on my toolbox. Okay. Alright, yeah. You need the small bar.
Oh, no, never mind. It's not like 42, it's like 190.
Inch pound?
Yeah.
How do you know that?
Because I remember.
Oh, 190 inch pounds. So go to 190 inch pounds.
Apparently.
Allegedly.
Wait, hold on.
Till we snap these fucking studs off. How many inch pounds?
190. Just over.
So just over 190 inch pounds. And you torque these right up.
Do evenly.
Fucking yard sale here.
That worked well. There you go. Perfect.
So yeah, basically we've got the whole park brake installed there. It's easy. 2 nuts, take them off, install the park brake, put them back on, torque them up. Yeah, so we basically, if you watch my last video on what happened, we got the replacement in, so that's great. He was pretty good to deal with. We still haven't heard anything on the RS11, but I'm sure we'll hear about that soon. Here's the first test. It's on there.
It doesn't work.
Now, can we throw the lock through? And the answer is yes.
Nice.
So it works. So yeah, you just push on that and then disengages like that.
The RS brake is a lot stiffer than that.
Is it?
Yeah, you can't push it by hand.
Huh.
Like this one, you can.
Oh yeah, oh.
Works good.
Perfect, yeah. So that's how it works. Push it down, kick it over with your toe, and it locks up. So yeah, I'd give this one pretty good rating. Like, I like the idea of it. It installed right proper the first time.
Yeah,
and
here.
Yeah, it looks good.
It's a little tight, but like it's kind of a little hard to get your toe in here to kick it, but
you have to really get over there.
But you can do it.
But yeah, it'll be nice for if you stop on a hill or something, you know, you can save your, you know, sometimes you get that big tranny click when you stop on a hill or whatever. It takes that out of it, so that's kind of nice.
Well,
or if you're on a trailer.
If it doesn't go into gear, it won't just pop out and roll down a hill, or
exactly.
Or on a trailer, it won't be rocking back and forth if the straps are a little loose.
Yeah. So good customer service on this product. So far, the XP Turbo and the General, awesome product, works really well. And yeah, check one out if you want. Thanks.